Okay, we got a little fashion outfit for Penny. We're gonna see if we can get her to wear this without pitching a fit. Let's see, how do we open this up here? So I think we got a size small for her. Does it say? It just says polyester and spandex. So let's see, how does this go? Does it go this way? Does it button up on her on the bottom, on the belly, or on the chest, on the back? I guess on the belly. Let's see, with my little puppy here. Let's see, Penny. How are we doing? Button it there, button it there. Look at you, cutie. She's like a little doll. She just sits here. There we go. And then, let's see if I can get the string off. There. Oh, is it coming off? Okay, I think I got it off there. And so, this is her in her little pajamas. Look at that. She has pink little pajamas now. I think it's pink. I don't know. But how cute is she? Oh! Look at that, Penny. Do you like your little outfit? She doesn't seem to mind outfits usually. And it's late. She's tired. You like it though, Penny? Is it good? Good girl. And this is what it looks like. So here, so you can see, she's got it buttoned up on her little chest. And then she has it there. So, nice little outfit. Good girl. Thumbs up.